Hey bitches, Maybe here, and today is New Year's. Oh my god, like, hello? Like, what the heck? What the heck? Like, it's New Year's Day. Like, I can't believe it. This is my first video, for 2018. I'm so excited, as you guys could tell. I've been, like, literally, like, when I started this video, I was, like, all smiley and everything, and now I am still smiley. I've been on YouTube for, like, a year and a half, maybe. I think. I know it's a year, but almost 2 years, and it's shocking, because usually when I start hobbies, I just stop doing it, and I'm glad that I haven't stopped doing this hobby, YouTube, and I don't think I'm gonna stop. I don't think I'm gonna quit. Don't think I'm gonna quit, because I still have a lot more stuff that I want to do on this channel and stuff like that, and yeah. So, this year has went by so freaking fast. Oh my god, like, jeez, guys. But if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because why not? Join the Butcher fam, and yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this red smoky eye with this nude lip, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm so excited to get into 2018. Like, this is my first video in 2018. Like, I'm so excited. I've been on YouTube for a year and a half probably, and I'm so excited for being on YouTube for 2 years. That's insane. We're super close of being on here for 2 years. I think I started going on YouTube maybe in like sometime after March, I think, and yeah, like, I'm so excited to be on here for 2 years. Like, that's gonna be incredible. But I feel like 2018 will be a big year for us. I don't know, like, my gut says it and then my head says it, so I'm just gonna say it. But yeah, so the first video for 2018, I wanted to really go dramatic, because, I don't know, why not go in the new year being dramatic? I mean, why not? But we're gonna do a red smoky eye. I wanted to do a New Year's makeup look, but on last Wednesday, I actually didn't upload a video because I edited the video on Wednesday and I couldn't get it up because it wasn't done like loading to my files. So I had to upload it on Friday, and the end of that video, it says, I'll see you guys on Friday, when it is Friday. Like, I uploaded it on Friday. So, sorry about that. I really wanted to do a New Year's look, because I haven't done one, I don't think, but maybe next year, I guess. I hope so. I really wanted to do one, but I totally forgot about it once after I uploaded the video that I uploaded for Friday. But anyway, we're gonna get into this video. I'm so happy, as you guys could tell. I'm gonna go in with the NYX professional makeup little thing right here that I got for Christmas, and it's in London. It just comes with 6 colors or whatever, you know. And I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Just because it matches my skin tone, and I want that to be my transition for this look. Since we're doing a red smoky eye, I want really like a lot of transitions, and I use a lot of transitions anyway, so this is gonna be really easy. Yesterday, actually, on Friday, when I uploaded that video, I actually did a black smoky eye, and it turned out great. I actually posted a photo on my Instagram, so go check it out. It's down below in the description. But if you're too lazy to do that, which I get it. Like, I'm too lazy to do anything. But it is makeup _ butcher 13. I started that page when I was 13. Like, that's why I have that number. Because I started when I was 13. Brush has a little bit of black on it, and I'm just kind of just rubbing off the product on my wrist. This is what I usually do, because I don't clean my brushes every single day, which I probably should, but I get too lazy. Like, we all get that. It's too much. So I'm just gonna take it off on my wrist. This is what I always do this. Oh my god. So I'm done with that palette for now. I just wanted to use that transition color. And now I'm going to go in with the Mad for Matte palette by e.l.f. And I'm going to go in with... Actually, let's just go in with this palette. Oh, and I actually want to use this color as well. And I also want to take this, which I actually know the color of this, because this is my first ColourPop color, and it's called Paper Tiger, and it's just a pressed powder eyeshadow. But let me use the Makeup Geek and Manny and Ray palette. I'm going to use Sora. And then I'm just going to put that in my crease. I'm just going to put a lot of stuff in my crease so the red could really, really blend very well. And it's just like a black smoky eye. You really want to get a lot of stuff in the crease just so that black could blend like really, really well. So I'm going to do the same exact thing. And then I'm going to take Paper Tiger from ColourPop, and I'm going to also put that in my crease. This is such a beautiful color, and it's so pigmented. Like, it literally took Sora like away. Like, Sora is gone now. So I'm gonna pick up Sora actually, just to bring it back into the crease, because I really want that color in my crease. And then I'm gonna take this palette, the Jaclyn and Morphe palette, and I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Pukey. So I'm just gonna take this color. I actually know this color because like this color is literally like, you can't forget Yuki. You can't forget the name of that. So I'm just going to take a little bit at a time and also put that in my crease. And then I'm going to go in with this color, which I think it's called Roxanne. Maybe I'm wrong, I don't know. But I'm going to take this red actually, and I'm going to put that in the crease because this is the brightest. No, not my crease, my lid. This is like the brightest red I have, and I actually swatched it, and yeah, so this is what I'm going for. Just going to pack that on the lid and blend it out with the first brush that we used. And then I'm going to take this Too Faced Peanut Butter and Jelly palette, and I'm going to take the white in this palette and actually put it on my brow bone. And then I'm going to take this Wet n Wild H2O proof liner in black, and I'm just going to do, I'm not going to do a big wing, but I'm not going to do a small wing. I always say that, but yeah, I'm going to do that real quick. And then I'm going to put on mascara and then put on some lashes, and then I'll tell you guys what kind of lashes I'm wearing after I put them on. Alright guys, so the mascara that I used is a oldie but a goodie, and I used to use this all the time. This was like my holy grail, like when I started YouTube and stuff like that. And this is the Ulta Volume Mascara in black, jet black. And this mascara, this used to be my holy grail, and like girl, like it's not that good as I remember it being, but it's still good. It still makes my lashes go up or whatever, but I don't care what kind of mascara I use because I'm going to be wearing falsies anyway. If I'm not wearing falsies, I'm going to be wearing a really, really nice mascara that works for my lashes. But this mascara is good, but I don't care what mascara I use when I wear falsies because it doesn't matter. These lashes, I was going to wear different lashes, but when I was taking off the glue, I broke them. So I was like, those lashes was going to be the perfect lashes for this look, and I ruined them. They were old lashes anyway, so it's pretty good, I guess, to throw them away. But they were from Allure. I don't remember what they were called, but I'm going to, next time we go to Walgreens or somewhere, Walmart or something, I'm going to look for those lashes and I'm going to get them because those lashes are bomb. These lashes, I don't know if they're from Allure or Ardell because I really, like, I get a lot of lashes from Ardell and Allure. These are like my last pair of lashes right now, and then there's a couple from Ardell, like Spooky Nights collection or something like that for Halloween. but they're not my favorite. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do Full Beats Glam as always, and I'll be back with you guys when I finish my eyes. Well, before I finish my eyes, and I'll be back with you guys. You guys know the drill. Alright guys, so for the bottom lash line, I'm basically going to be doing the same exact thing that I did with the lid and the crease and stuff like that. The first color I'm going to be taking is from the Manny MUA palette. We're skipping the Nyx color because, why not? I mean, why not? But we're going to go in with the Manny MUA palette, and we're going to go in with Sora. And then we're just gonna run it down there, no biggie. I'm trying to rush because I'm going with my mom somewhere, so I'm trying to rush, you know. So, but not trying to rush too much because then I'll mess up and I'll be like, why did I rush? And then I'm like, oh crap. But then I'm gonna go in with Paper Tiger from ColourPop. I'm going to run that down there, and then, yeah, I'm just going to keep going with it. Okay, so this is not a red. There's a swatch of it, but it's close to a red. I don't think I have like a red eyeliner. So this is the Ulta Automatic Lip Liner in Raspberry. These are really good for your waterline. And then also bring it down so I could blend it down with a red. If you don't remember the color that we took on the lid, it's this color right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit at a time with this fluffy angled brush and smoke that out a little bit. And then after we smoked it out, I'm actually going to bring some kind of color back. Well, Pukey, I didn't take that color at all on the bottom lash line, but I want to not have like mostly red down there. I want it to be like a ombre effect to a red to a like a pukey brown. So obviously I'm going to take the color called Pukey in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take a little bit at a time and blend out that red a little bit. And then I'm going to put some loose powder down there. Just a little bit, like that much, and I'm going to put mascara on the bottom lashes. For my inner corner, I'm going to take the two highlighters that I took for my face, actually, just so it all blends together and I'm not going in with a different color for my inner corner. I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder in Blossom Glow, and also the Pixie by Petra Beauty Blush Duo in Rose Gold, and I'm going to take the highlighter, and I'm just going to take those highlighters and obviously do my inner corner. I'm also going to spray the brush because by doing this, it'll make the inner corner like pop, like really pop. So, and then for the lip, I don't even know what I want to do. Do I want to do a nude with a gloss on top, or do I want to do a dramatic lip? This is the red. I think I'm going to go in with a nude, to be honest. I don't know. I think I'm going to go in with this lipstick. This is the Ulta Beauty Lipstick in Honey, and this is, I love this so much. And there's 4 other ones. It came like a set, and I'm just going to put this on my lips. And you totally don't have to put on a gloss because this lipstick is already like very shiny. It's not like a matte or a satin or like anything like that. It's just like a very glossy lipstick. But I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Makeup Academy lip gloss in Nude. Just a little bit, just like in the center of the lip, and just make it a little bit more glossy. And yeah, so let me just go apply this real quick. It applies like a dream, I swear. Alright guys, so this is what it looks like without the gloss, but I'm going to add gloss just a little bit. Since this is already glossy, I don't want to add a lot. If I can open this, there we go. I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss. And yeah, so alright baby bitches, this is the end of this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys want to see next. And comment down below if you're excited for the New Year's, because I am. I'm excited to be on YouTube for almost 2 years. Like soon it's gonna be almost 2 years. Like, what the? I feel like it literally just celebrated it being 1 year being on YouTube, and this year went by so quickly. Every video is gonna be saying that, but it did. Like, I'm 15 now. I can drive now. Like, this, I feel like I'm younger than that now. Like, I'm old. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and also comment what you guys want to see next. Like, I just said that, but I'm gonna say it again. And if you haven't subscribed already, then what are you doing? Like, subscribe. Like, hello, like, subscribe if you want more of these dramatic looks or natural looks. But yeah, I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and Happy New Year, and yeah, so I'll see you guys next video, which is Wednesday, hopefully.